today I'm reviewing the 42mm Pipigo Apple iWatch screen protector. So this screen protector is really nice. You can't even tell it's on when you're wearing it. You can see if you turn it under the light, the little touchpad sort of things that react when your fingers touch it, so it allows it to go right through to the watch. All the cutouts are perfect. It all fits really nice. My recommendation is to make sure that it is very clean on the inside and the outside, of course, but you can always clean that after it's on. And you also want to make sure that your watch screen is as clean as possible and that there's no little fingerprints, because any little fingerprints that are actually on there, you're going to notice as soon as this is on. And it's a little bit tight to put on, and it's actually harder to get it off if you notice you want to clean something after. So I had to learn that the hard way. It takes actually quite a long time to wriggle it off there, but once it's on, you're going to want to leave it on. So that's the good thing about it. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your bands off. So I got both my bands off. And then you're going to want to wipe the face of this down. You can use Windex or a baby wipe or anything. And then give this a really, really good solid cleaning on the inside. Make sure there's no dust, no anything, no fingerprints. Sometimes it's hard to see because it's clear. Dry it off with one of these. It's like a microfiber rag. And let's see what this looks like once it's on. So I'll put it on and we'll be back. And the plastic protector is on the watch. It is harder than you think to get this on there. And if and when you decide to take this off, actually I didn't put it on all the way, there we go. If and when you decide to take this off, this little thing, this little strap here, likes to get stuck in this groove, so it's kind of hard to do. So we have it on. You can see the little touchpad things. Works perfectly fine. And let's put it on the watch with the watch bands, and let's see what it looks like on. Last scene. Here we have it. It's on. You can't even tell that this little protector is on. So now when I accidentally bump into the wall with my arm, and I frequently do that, and I worry about it getting scratched, I will not be worried about it. I generally don't drop my watch on the floor, although it has happened. I can't see the protector protecting it from cracking, although it does give it a little bit of a bumper, whether you realize it or not, it is there. But those swipes against, hitting something or scratching it when you're reaching for something, that's like the most important thing. This is the Pipigo 42mm Apple Watch protector. Nice and clear, easy to read through, definitely not easy to get off again. And I wish it was a little easier to get on. Thank you. Have a good night. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.